What's up, guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel, Distraction Garage, where we're going to be documenting and vlogging our builds, all of our personal builds, just like this one behind me. Aside from that, we are also going to give you a sneak peek of the drag racing lifestyle, any sort of automotive lifestyle, and anything that we can be a part of. We will show you what we can. So, on this episode, we're actually going to be working on my personal EG, which I'm in the process of converting it over to a complete K-Series all-wheel drive setup. I know K-Series all-wheel drive setup is the craze right now, and you know, we might as well go ahead and follow through with it, document every single process of it, and have you guys with us during this complete build, the ride, and be able to show you guys a little bit of, you know, the process and what needs to be done in order to accomplish the all-wheel drive setup. The previous setup that the car had was a built GSR block with a B16 head, had a 6266 precision turbo, 2000cc injectors running on E85. I was able to get the car to go about 1040s at 136 miles an hour. So real quick, check out these two clips of my car. One of them is actually racing a Evo, and then the other one is just a quick little street pull against a Mustang. Hey, on today's episode, we're going to be installing Hub City Performance's all-wheel drive rear trailing arm kit, which are right here. These things are plug and play essentially. They look just like your stock trailing arms. These were off of the car. I went ahead and took those off, dropped it off at the shop, which is conveniently about 2 to 3 minutes away. So we'll be visiting them a little bit later down the road in some of the other episodes that we're going to have. But these are 100% proven. The fastest all-wheel drive car, which was driven by Prianto Racing, built by Prianto Racing, runs these specific trailing arm kits, and it broke into the 7s, so it works really well. As you can see, it uses all the factory mounting points. It does have some lower control arms which are offset. To the naked eye, they look just like any other billet lower control arm, but they're offset for axle and the strut clearance. I'm going to go ahead and install these for you guys, show you guys a quick time lapse of what's going on, and I think later down on the road we're going to visit Hub City Performance. That way they can show you guys everything that they do in their shop, especially all the cars that they're going to be working on. This one being one of, they're in the process of putting the trans and the motor together. That way I can go ahead and bring it back here and document the whole installation as well for you guys. And then we're going to go ahead and take it back over to them because they are working on something extremely important for this process. And without further ado, let's get to it. how simple it is. It's just like mounting any other trailing arms, but essentially bolt everything up. It all gets bolted on. Something very, very simple, easy and quick to do. It took me maybe about 15 to 20 minutes or so. I just got to mount the remaining of the brake mechanism. Put the once I get the brand new rotors and pads, I'll go ahead and mount those on here. Just got to run the remainder of the e-brake, run those through, mount it all up, and everything is good to go. Make sure you guys go visit hubcityperformance.com where you guys can get more detailed specs on this rear trailing arm kit. I do know they're working on a product right now to make our lives a lot easier when converting your cars over to an all-wheel drive setup. Also, make sure you guys go check out burnoutforboobies.com. This is a limited edition shirt with my car on it. All proceeds of every one of these shirts goes to breast cancer awareness, so make sure you guys go check out burnoutforboobies.com. Link is in the description, as well as any sort of apparel that we have on distraction.com. Go check us out. Also, don't forget to hit that little red subscribe button, as well as click on the bell. That way you guys get notifications of every time that we post up a new episode. So in the next episode, I'm going to be tearing out the interior of the car, getting it ready for the shifting mechanism. I'm going to go with the Hasport shift plate to utilize the 90 to 93 Accord shifter, because it makes it a lot easier, especially when you have a drive shaft running through your tunnel. So once again, thank you guys very much. See you guys next time. I'm out.